So today we are going to see about some important topic about Motors case study. So we know that over the before 2 decades, the Hindustan Motor will play a major role in our country growth, and the majority of the cars, even for cabinet ministers, they are using that commercial vehicle as an these ambassadors. But we need to know why these ambassadors, that structures or their manufacturing has been failed. So what are the factors behind it that Hindustan Motors struggle for the survival? So let me see in detail about this. So generally, Hindustan Motors, we know that it is a Birla group of industries. It has been manufactured with the help of Birla group of industries, and this major thing, they are using that unique technique of manufacturing in their process. Okay, so there are more than nearly, it has been manufactured with the help of that metals along with the reinforcement of the another structures. So this Hindustan has been nearly, it has been manufactured with the help of highly customs duty on import. Initial years it was struggling for that license Raj, and after that steep excise duties and sales tax has been imposed. And there are the two major players in our country that you have seen in the screen, that is a Premier Automobile and another one is in Hindustan Motors. In the 1980s, it has been come to the market, and it has been better product with the help of government support has been sold, and it having a longer waiting periods of manufacturing. And the early to mid 90s, the seller market and the long waiting periods is decreased in customs exercise, and also the auto finance has been boomed. The foreign banks and non-banking companies, it having a better schemes. At the same time, in the mid 90s to early 2000, the buyer's market and easy auto finance has been there, and manufacturing diversifying into related activities. But we are here whether these factors which affect their company's production, or what is the reason which has been that Hindustan Motors face as an biggest loss. So let me see. Here the presidents, as I said, the cabinet ministers, from the cabinet ministers to president, they are using the Hindustan Motors over the nearly 40 years and 50 years of running about this product, or by the help of ambassadors. But what is the reason it has been getting fallen in their growth? Let me see. So here they are key players which dominate the Hindustan Motor production has been because of their production has been affected during the launching of Tata vehicles, Ashok Leyland, Swaraj Mazda, Mahindra and Mahindra, Force Motors, each, and in terms of commercial vehicle, we are using the Tata Motors, Maruti Udyog, Honda, and these are the motors has been launched during that time. The one and only drawback, that trends in the automobile sector has been getting fallen because they are due to the aerodynamic design, and they are poor aesthetic performance when compared to that foreign launching brands. So that is why it was getting fallen due to this reason. So one is an aesthetic design, that is one of the major factors that Hindustan Motor faces the failure. And the another one, the funds has been generated in the Hindustan Motors which has been fallen when compared to the other brand automobiles. So here it is failure to match the individual goals. The major reason is the failure to match the individual goals and as well as the organizational goals, and also it has failure to match the individual aptitude with the implementation task, and inadequate top management support for the implementation activities, and union unwilling for change. So that is why these are the factors which has been severely affected that Hindustan Motors, hence they can't able to manufacture the further production, or they can't able to boost up the further production and launching those vehicles. So the McKinsey and Co findings, they said that Hindustan Motors to focus on marketing of the components so that the productivity has been improved through the re-engineering. So these are the suggestions which has been given by